Little baby playhouse. Hello everyone, today I am going to draw a fire truck. Let's draw and color it together. I'm going to paint the fire truck in different colors. Wow, that's a pair of eyes. Wow, the front of our fire truck is finished. This is the water pipe used to spray water. Wow, the fire truck wheels are painted so it can run.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
This is a fire truck ladder. It can help firefighters rescue people from high places.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird sat by the clock. The clock struck four, she ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Let's color. Red.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh little six. Hickory dickory
Gray. Pink. Dark yellow.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Goodbye friends.